Let's go out in the garden and let's see what there is to harvest. Okay, let's go pick some green beans. I've been giving these green beans a lot more water. Green beans will actually curl up when they are thirsty, but these are nice and straight, which means that we're watering them properly. Purple ones just started coming in. These tiny little blueberry bushes are still going. I maybe have like a week left of them, and then that'll be it until next year. There's potatoes here where this dead plant is. Let's see what we get. Oh. Okay. That one's so weird. Oh, it looks like a human with a nose. I love the color on these. The color's so intense when they come out of the ground. Well, that's a sad little harvest from 6 potato plants. I have heavy clay soil here, and the potatoes only seem to be growing where I added 2 inches of compost. So maybe my harvests will get better through the years as I improve my soil. Just a small little harvest today, enough for a dinner side and some snacks.